So what are some of the things you can turn off on the iPhone to save the battery? So let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this, and let's get into it. So you get inside of your settings, and you might think that getting inside of the battery section is going to do a lot, but in here you don't really do much. You basically can see the optimized charging and features like that, but below you can see the low power mode, which is a feature you can temporarily turn on to save some battery, right? So you can do that, and as you can see, it will temporarily reduce some background activities, processing speed, and display brightness, and it's going to limit features like 5G, iCloud syncing, mail fetch, and more. So when these are the effects of the low power mode, we can also replicate them outside of the low power mode. So let's start with the background activities. You can go to the general section of your settings and find the background app refresh, and you can decide how exactly you want to keep it. If you want to save data, you can choose Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular, or you can disable it altogether. That would mean that no apps can run and use battery while you don't even use them. If you want only certain apps to have that privilege or that feature, you can also go through the list manually and decide only for specific apps, for example, for weather updates and so on, right? That is the first thing. Outside of that, you can as well just manage your cellular connection, perhaps switch from the 5G to just LTE temporarily, right? To perhaps have a slower internet, but saving up some battery, right? Then we also have stuff like the auto brightness, which can be found inside of the accessibility, display, and a text size. And in there, you can enable the auto brightness, which will definitely save some battery by dimming down the brightness when it's not needed. So that is something which I personally am not a big fan of, but I know that it saves some battery, and you can just play with it to do that, right? And yeah, you can just go app by app, really, if you don't really want some apps to have features in the background, right? Like you can just turn off the airdrop from being constantly turned on, and you can turn it off. If you don't use Bluetooth, you can turn that off as well, right? So plenty of things like that, but it's basically the same blueprint. So that would be all for me. I hope I was able to show you how you can approach this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you later in the future uploads.